This is the device named as like XPREX 260, right? Okay, so in this devices you can see how to create a new name or details, how we can add it. So for that, what you have to do is that first of all, I'm just offing the device first and just on the device. You can see here on the left side RG button will be showing there. In that RG button, what you have to do is that press 4 and then key button. So when you click on press 4 and key button, you can see an option called it as general set. So here you will see department PLU, general set, keyboard, like that options you can see it, header and tail, then network, peripherals, like that options you will find it. So here you have to select header. So when you click on header, you can see header option is there. Click header, then whatever you want to type it, like just enter it, and I'm giving a company name. Okay, so X is the caps button. So when you click on X, so automatically the A will be changed, small a from to it will change to the big A, and here we will set a company name like this. So E, any company name like that we are selecting it. Okay, EMS, like that we are selecting company name and just click on enter. So EMS is the first company name, and I will go to the second section and I will click enter, like that. So if I want to change it, so I can do whatever you name, I can change it and I can delete it, and if I need a number or something like that, I will just put the number also. So this is how you can create a header inside it. After completing the header function, just click on set. If you want to put a header, if you want to double head it, like if you want to make it bigger, the company name should be bigger, anything should be bigger, accordingly you can see a double head option is there. If you want, you can put it sub is the button to make it yes. So like that you can create it. So this is how you can create a head inside the system. Okay, and if you want to create a tail option, similar, just go to the tail and whatever you want to type it, same things what you have done in the header, same things you have to done in the tail also. Okay, so today we will learn about how to create a item inside this device. So you can see right now it is RG option is there. RG means registration, like whatever amount you can give and you can select the departments. So for that purpose, this is the sale portion, and in this how to create a new in the department, we will go for like to create a department inside the device. So for that, 4 key is the button. Okay, after 4 key you can see an option called it as department PLU. So the department PLU will help to create the departments, and if you want the PLU also, you can create the PLUs also. Okay, so we will go to the department first. You will get an option called the PLU department. This is the up and down arrows. We will click on the down arrow so that we can see what all the functions are there in the device. Okay, so first of all we will go for the department. So I'm clicking on the down arrow. Department, I'm selecting the department. For selecting the department, click on enter, and here you can see the department name will come. I will click on the enter department name. Okay, so here similarly for caps button, X is the button, so just click on X so that we can change the names and everything. For that we will first of all we will cancel the flowers. So for that, C is the button to clear the flowers. So I'm just clearing flowers from that, and instead of flowers I'm just typing like any random name. Okay, so for the product or something like that, I'm just typing MON, like that. So if I click on enter, okay, so I can see here I can fix the price also in this. So if I want to fix the price, I will just put price. So whatever price I am just giving it, you can consider it like 20.00. So when you are doing that, at that time you have to give a decimal digits also, because it's a 2 decimal device. So you have to consider as a decimal digits also. If you don't know, just put similarly 2000 also you can put it. So the rest after 20 it will be considered as decimals also. So how many amounts is there, according to that you can put it accordingly, that this much amount is there. Okay, then click on enter. You can see maximum amount. If you want to put a max amount, like maximum till maximum 40 dirhams, you can sell it or something like that. If you want to put it, you can put it. If you don't want to put it, just leave it. Here the tax value, the tax amount will be always 1, because the percentage of the tax we are setting outside the device, that we will show you in the in this. So in this we are just putting tax 1. Here you can see group 1. There is another, if you want to print, like KOT printer is there, separate text is there, like that. If you want to give it, you can give it, otherwise just leave it. Okay, and just click on save. So like that you can create a department in this. Okay, so this is how you can create the department. Now we will just we have already told that we have created a department. Now if we want to create a tax system, we just have to go to the tax, click on enter. You can see tax, 4 types of tax will be there. So each tax you can enable it. So here you can see tax A will be there. Just click on the tax A, so that we can see it, what all the options are there. Here the rate is given, so for that rate means how much percentage of tax you are calculating. So we are giving 5% tax. Okay, enter it. It will ask you tax add-in or so if you are clicking yes, for yes, click on sub. That means the tax will be inbuilt, it will add it. Like if your price is 10 dirhams, 5% will be included in that 10 dirham. So for that you are pressing yes. Okay, then again just go to you can see, if you want to print the VAT, so you have to select yes. Then again you have to go down. If you want to print 0, no need of that. If you want to print tax, like taxable tax amount, you can see it. So for that also print yes. So like that you can create the tax. So this is the number 1, 2, 3, like that, that you are, I'm just going back, that you are giving in the for up in the department. Instead of tax you have put 1. So this is coming from the tax system. Okay, so this is how you are creating a department. If you want to create a PLU, similarly just click on the PLU, set it 1. It will ask you, oh, what is the number or what is the day, something. It will ask you yes. So the PLU it will show. I am just typed 11 PLU. So here I will create all the PLU details and everything. Similarly, same what you have done in the department, same like that you can create the PLUs also in the device itself. Okay, so this is how the department and PLU and the tax system you are creating in this XPREX 260AR. We will discuss about how to do a sales in that device, in this device. Okay, so for that, for the sales option, one key is the button, so that you can see RG. So when you on the device also, it will show you RG itself. Or if you have taken for like creating a product or something like that, so you have gone for 4 key or something like that. At that time, if you want to come back to the same window, you have to press 1 key. So 1 key is the sales option in this device. Okay, so here you can see in this sales option what all the possible keys you have, you want to connect with the device. First is this type of amounts. Okay, this type of amount button, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that, number buttons. Then you will get a department option, and after that you can see cash button and subtotal buttons. Okay, so this is the main keys which you are going to use with this device in during the sales option. So we will discuss a scenario, like if the customer is coming to the shop and he is taking some random products like a paper roll and chocolates, like that. So whatever customer will be randomly taking that. So in this device it will help me to calculate to count the products also and to bill it accordingly. So first of all, the scenario is like that: if the customer is coming to the shop and he is taking a product that is 5 piece. So for 5 piece, what I will do is that I will click on the 5 piece. Okay, 5 like this, and I will click on X button. X button means undo button, like for adding the stock. So I am clicking on stock, so it will show me quantity 5 like that. And the price of each item will be like 10 dirhams. So I am just giving 10.00, 10.00 like this, and I'm selecting a department. So here we have 10 departments, so I am selecting a department called MON. So I will just click on department 1 so that I can see the items with the amount and the values and everything. It will show me here. Okay, if I click on subtotal, like the customer is paying like me 100 dirhams or something like that, I will just give 100 dirhams, and if I click on enter button, so automatically the customer is paying me the amount with the tax and everything in this. So this is one scenario. In the another scenario, like the customer is just taking it, and if you don't want to put any quantities or something like that, we are just select that product and just select that particular company name, select the company name, automatic, just click on the sub, you can see whatever the customer is giving you, select that amount and then click on cash total. So automatically the cash books will open and you can see the total bill also. So if suppose you have selected an item, okay, of 12 dirhams, you have selected a department, and if you want to void it, just click on the void window. So automatically that amount will be reversed and you can take the printout of that amount also. So everything in details it will show me that this item have designed, and after that the customer told I no need of item, just click on void like that. So this is how you are putting a sale inside it. Okay, next we will discuss about like receiving amount and PO amount, means payment out and received amount. Okay, so for that RG is the first option. The device, every time when you on the device, it will come on the RG itself. So if suppose I am receiving an amount of 10 dirhams or something like that, I will just give 10 and I will click on RA, so that it means I have received that amount. If I am giving a payout, if I want to pay out that amount, so similarly I will just give the amount and just click on payout. So that means I have just refunded it, or the pay out option is enabled in this. So if you go for the reports, you can see RA option also there and PO option also there. Now we will to take the report inside it from the device. So for that, first of all you have to get a USB like this and at the back of the device, so that you can connect the USB like this. Okay, so I have connected the USB. So without USB you can't take the report from this device. Okay, so for taking the report, first option is 3 button, then click on key button. So 3 key is the report option. Inside it you can see Z report is there. If you go down arrows, you can see all the options inside it. So here Z report is there. In that export Z report is there. Export Z report means like if you want to export it in any pen drive or something like that, for that export Z report is given. Then clear log is there. Then set to clear total is there. So clear log and clear total will help you to clear the sales from these devices. So for that clear log is given. And if you want to set a Z password, like if nobody has to come and change it or something like that, for that Z password option also is given in this. So for taking an Z report, you have to first connect the USB, then click on enter button. So you can see daily report is there, period report is there, period PLU report is there, period tables is there, time zone is there. So like that, any particular type of report if you want, you can take it. The mostly Z report, or the difference between X and Z is that Z used to clear everything from the device. When you take the printout, it used to clear all today's sales and everything, and it will make the device fresh. X report means it will only take the report, it will not clear it. So in most of the device there will be like X and Z reports will be there, but in this device they have given both in same report like Z report. So for that, the first option is daily report. Daily report means whatever sales you have done, to check that daily report is required. So when I click report, we are taking it. Okay, just click on enter. So automatically it will give me the daily report. Okay, so what is the daily report and everything, it will show me. And if I want to take the period report, same like that, it will give me the period report also. So like that you can take the Z report, everything from this device. Okay, accordingly. So any type of report you want to take it, you can take it at any point of time. Okay, so time zone report is there, Z report is there. So any particular time of report you want, you can take it. If you want to go back, you can go back also, so that you can see what all the counts and everything, it will show me here. Every details and everything, it will show me here. If I want to clear the log, I can just click on the clear log. It will ask me yes or no. So sub is the selection. If I click on yes, it will clear everything from the system. So this is how you are taking the Z report from this device. Okay.